Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unlink your phone number from your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to unlink your phone number from your TikTok account, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after opening your TikTok app, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile icon like this, and on this interface at the top right corner of your screen you can see the three-lined icon. Tap on the three-lined icon, and after this dialog box appears, tap on settings and privacy, and after that you can see the manage account option available over here, which is the first one under the category of account. Tap on manage account, and over here you can see your phone number on the top of the list. Tap on your phone number, and you can see the unlink phone option available over here and the change phone on the option available over here. Since we are going to unlink our phone number, tap on unlink phone and tap on continue to unlink. But before that, if you have turned on your two-step verification, your TikTok account will require you to turn off the two-step verification first. And with that being said, let's tap on continue to unlink, and a code will be sent to you on your mobile number, and after receiving the code, enter it over here, the 6-digit code, and your phone number will be unlinked from the TikTok account. But now I will not be unlinking my phone number because it's of use to me. And there guys, this is how you unlink your phone number from your TikTok account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.